What's up, everybody? So I got something to update. As you read in the title, the DJI Ronin-s has the active tracking now, just like the ronin-sc. So many names. So let's get to that. Alright, I'm just trying to see if the acting works. Supposedly if you press the trigger, it should actually track. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't work. Oh, it does. Okay. You can see it's moving. Alright. And if I press it one more time, this will come off. Alright. Alright, so let's test it out. Alright, I'm in the frame. I'm here to record already. Yeah, it's recording. So hit the trigger. Where are you, buddy? Oh, right here. Oh, nice. It's very fast. Well, the way I have it set up is fast, but I can slow it down. I want it to feel, yeah, it's too fast. I don't know if there's a medium for it. Hold on, let me cancel this. Let's change the speed to slow. All right, let's try it one more time. So yeah, here it is. It's tracking. I don't know if it lost tracking because there's nobody assisting me. But yeah, this is awesome update for the Ronin-s. Supposedly it was said that we weren't gonna come out with one, but we haven't. They said the Bluetooth was too old on the Ronin-s, but looks like it was good enough. Let's see. Go down. Hey, now come up with me. Come up with me. Come on, keep up. I don't know where it's tracking. I'm hoping it's tracking my face. Maybe that's why it looks a little below my eye level. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you have the Ronin-s and you did not know about this, get it now. Do that shit right now, and get your merch while you're at it too. Link in the description. I gotta get used to this, but let me know if you're a Ronin-s user and you wanted this feature, but you did not want to get the Ronin-sc because of the workhorse that it is already, the Ronin-s. Comment down below. Let me know if you're happy or excited about this as well, or if you did not want this at all, then let me know below as well. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed. I got more footage and more content coming for you guys soon. Photography videos in the works. I think that's pretty much it. Just wanted to update you guys with this firmware update for the Ronin-s. So peace. Now how do I stop? Okay. Do the tracking stop and recording.